Hey there, guys. How's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the lifetime folding tables. Yes, these are lifetime folding tables. They're good for using in the backyard and or like lunch tables or anything where you're going to eat. I have two here. This one and this one to show you the backside. Yeah, they're both the same. Yeah, I've been using these tables for a long time now. These are really, really sturdy and really, really strong. This top part is stain resistant and it makes it really, really super easy to clean. Yeah, and this material is really like durable. It's like a really strong plastic, and it's called polyethylene, and it's stronger and more durable than wood. Yeah, and this table folds. It's like these here. Okay, see what happens is you have the levers here that just open up. You connect right here like this, and you fold it down, open, and then it connects right here with these like that all the way on. And the back side, the other side, you do pretty much the same thing with opening it up like this and locking it in place like that. Yeah, and they're pretty sturdy. Yeah, I like them a lot, and you can use them just for, just hanging out in your backyard, or when you have a party or anything like that. I really, really like these tables. I've been using them for a very long time. Yeah, for at least, I say about 4 or 5 years. Yeah, and these legs here are stainless steel. Yeah, and that makes them pretty sturdy and pretty strong. Yeah, I think that most people actually prefer to use a plastic table versus wood because it's so much stronger and so much easier to deal with and put away than just regular wooden tables. Oh God, I've had many people want to borrow these tables from me, and I have about 7 of them here at my house, and I use them for anytime I'm having a party. It's great to put food on, because look at the size of it. It's 72 by 30 inches, and you get everything that you need in these tables. You can sit people on either side and serve it up. Weddings are perfect for this. You throw a cover over it, like a tablecloth on these, and dress it up with with all your decorations and everything. It will do the job, do very, very well. And it doesn't make a whole lot of noise if you try to if it shakes or anything like that. It doesn't really shake. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah. And like I said, they're pretty old, so they last. I haven't had any problem with them. The best part about them is that they clean so easily. With tables, you're going to spill stuff on them all the time. It just happens. It's just the nature of using a table, and mostly what you're going to use a table for is food, and if you have kids or whatever, and sometimes maybe you won't even have a tablecloth on there. You just have to deal with it. This kind of table really, really takes care of that because it's really super, super easy to clean. And the manufacturers seem to know that. I mean, they know that people spill all the time, you know, all kind of different things. So one time I spilled cement on here and I got it up, no problem. Cement and this dye that I use in a lab, and I just put some cleaning solution on there and it came right out. This table is very old and it still looks really new, even though I've had stains and stuff on it, and I just cleaned it up. It's very good, very, very good. No real downside, you know. I mean, this is made for outdoors and indoors, so you can use them for whatever you're going to do. It doesn't have to be just food. It could be workstations. It could be anything, you know. And you can sit people on either side if you're going to work. It's great for kids. And yeah, I like them a lot. Like I said, I have about 7 of these, and I use them for all my parties. I mostly use them outdoors, and the rain doesn't seem to bother them either. Yeah. Okay, well, I like these a lot, and I hope you use this information. This is the Lifetime folding tables. Okay, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.